Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I have a card share video for you. I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design. That's Melissa, who's Mo's Creation, Lisa, you see I'm a Diva, and Gloria with Girlier's Cards, all here on YouTube. And what they do is they give you a prompt each week for you to use in your crafting and ask you to share your designs on Saturday morning. And I'm also joining hashtag Sadmore Makes, and that's Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Designs, Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. And what Jill wants you to do is craft all week and just share your designs on Saturday morning. Now I know I'm a little late, but I still wanted to share my card with you. So let me share with you what I used. So from Spellbinders, I used these Gold Mix 108 self-adhesive crystals. It's pretty. And then new to my stash is this Spellbinders cutting die set. It's called Torn Paper Edges. And it's 3 dies that allow you to make like a torn edge of a paper, or like you ripped it out of a binder or a tablet or something. And then from the sealed set, I got used this sealed twine set one. And this is where you put your wax seal here, and then it makes, it looks like you have twine on your designs. And then from Stampin' Up, I used this really large clear mount set, and it's called Handwritten, and it has several different words on here. You can look at them, and it has create, inspire, have, welcome, love, bonjour, and other words. Super cute. And then from Waffle Flower, I ordered this wax seal die set. And what this does is it makes paper wax seals. So I thought this was super cute and enjoyed making all the designs, just trying it out. Really cute die set from Waffle Flower. Now, let me share with you my card design. So here it is, the red, white, and blue theme. I use paper from my stash, which is basil, and you can see the little jimmies here. And then this is the twine from the die set. And then you see my little fake wax seal, and it has a little envelope looking like it was embossed. How cute is that? Well, let me know what you think of the card below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a current subscriber, I appreciate every like and every thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, maybe consider subscribing, and I would really, really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.